Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to cancel your Tradingview subscription in 2025 step by step. Whether you are watching switching plans, taking a break or just want to avoid getting charged again, I have got you covered. Let's get into it. First go to the tradingview.com and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, click your profile icon. Here you can see the profile icon, and in the top right corner from the drop down menu select account and billing. Here you setting and billing. Now you can see the lot of options: account setting, active season, public, privacy. This will take you to your account settings. The next step is open subscription settings. Here you can see. Then in your account setting, look for a tab or section called billing. Or subscription. Here you will see your current subscription plan like Pro Plus or Premium. Your next billing date you can see, and the payment method you are using. Click the option that say manage subscription. Here you can see the subscription status, payment method or clean plan. Then the next step is cancel your subscription. Once you click cancel, Tradingview may ask for a reason for cancellation, offer you a discount to say. Here you can see this, or ask if you are sure you want to cancel. Click yes, cancel to continue to cancel until it's confirmed. Your subscription will stay active until the end of your billing cycles. You won't lose access. After cancellation, you will receive a confirmation email from Tradingview. Make sure to check your inbox and spam folder for this message. It confirms that your subscription has been cancelled and no further charge will be made. Once your billing period ends, your account will automatically revert to the free plan. You will still keep your saved chart, watch listed and indicators, but here you can your account will automatically revert to the free plan. You will still keep your saved chart, watch listed and indicators, but you will lose access to for pro features like multiple charts, alerts or real-time data. If you change your mind, you can always re-upgrade later. And that's it. That's how you can cancel your Tradingview subscription. Simple and quick. If this helped, give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel.